Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. The first step is to disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the button located at the top and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you access to the motor area. With the dustbin out of the way, you can now proceed to unscrew the screws that hold the motor cover in place. There are usually 4 Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. Be cautious as there may be some dust buildup inside. Here, using your soft brush, carefully clean out any debris and dust that may have accumulated around the motor. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. If you encounter any issues while inspecting the motor, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure your vacuum is in good working order. After cleaning, check the connections to ensure they are secure. If everything looks good, you can proceed to reassemble the unit. Place the motor cover back on and fasten it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly secured to prevent future issues. Now that your Dyson V10 is reassembled, it's important to consider its warranty. If you suspect a fault with the motor that might be covered under warranty, gather your purchase information and check the warranty terms. If you're unsure about the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your vacuum serviced. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that information quickly and easily, ensuring you're well informed before any work is done. Always keep your vacuum clean and well maintained to extend its lifespan and performance. Regular maintenance can prevent many issues that might lead to warranty claims. If you find yourself facing difficulties, remember that there's no need for calls or travel. Our services are designed to be as convenient as possible for you. This way, you can focus on keeping your home clean without added stress. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.